Good morning, Kern County, and welcome to another episode of Kern Living. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and today I'm super excited because we're at the grand opening of Cracker Barrel. There's 7 in the entire state, but this is the first one in Kern County. We've got the behind-the-scenes look of everything that's going on today, so let's check it out.
Welcome to Cracker Barrel!
Okay, Kern County, one of the coolest things about Cracker Barrel is the fans. I'm here with Ray Yoder. He's been to every opening since when?
North Las Vegas, and that's been 4 years ago at least. Yeah.
So how many openings have you been to?
Probably 22. I should take count, so I know exactly. Let's call it 24.
22 to 24. That's a lot of openings. What on the menu brings you back every time?
Oh, the meatloaf is super. Nobody can beat it. And the blueberry pancake in the morning with blueberry syrup and a double shot of butter. That may not be good for here in the stomach, but it sure does taste good.
We're so excited about the first Cracker Barrel opening in Bakersfield. Just as Cracker Barrel was founded on hospitality, that's what Bakersfield is about. So we couldn't be more enthusiastic to welcome Cracker Barrel to Bakersfield.
So we finally made it inside of Cracker Barrel. We're here today with the crew, Joey, Greg. We're ready to chow down. We're ready to try out this good food, Bakersfield. Let's see what it's about. One of my favorite things about Cracker Barrel is waiting outside in these rocking chairs. It's not like a regular restaurant where you sit inside, it's cold, AC's blasting. You get to come outside, get some fresh air, and sit in these nice rocking chairs.
In 2021, Cracker Barrel launched the Food for Families initiative, and every time they open a new restaurant, they provide a $10,000 gift in that community. Here in Bakersfield, that'll equate to about 40,000 meals. And Central California Food Bank partners with the Boots on the Ground, the Community Action Partnership of Kern, who are joined with me here today, to ensure that every single family will have the nutrition that they need to thrive.
As you can see, Kern County, the food was good. Joey, Greg, and myself, we had a blast here at Cracker Barrel. So if you're hungry, get down to California Avenue and make sure you check out Cracker Barrel. And make sure you also follow us on Instagram at Kern Living and myself at Ryan Nelson 23. Don't miss out on the fun and the rocking chairs. I'll see you guys soon.